No BS, no fluff. RDDT stock analysis and price predictions. Am I buying? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Reddit.com stock sitting at $53.51. It's like 6.82% up for the day or so. I myself am still bullish, and I'm going to show you, like, I'm not buying like right off the rip, so I'm going to explain how I'm approaching it. But to give you even more context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins 2023. So with Reddit, I want to, my targets are 55.13 as of right now. And the only way that I would approach is if the price retraces a little bit. Now, it really doesn't matter, right? It needs to retrace a little bit and then give me the rules or the double shift for me to then pull the trigger up. If the price just goes up and delivers, all this goes out the window. It's not going to be valid anymore. So keeping you updated. This is a very short, like lower time frame approach. Only for now and not forever. If you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.